Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Standard 5th Subject EVS 1, that is Science. I am your science teacher Rashmi Walke. Students, we are learning lesson number 16, Water, and today we will see part 5 video of this lesson. After watching this video, you will be able to understand about water management. So children, let's start our part 5 video of lesson Water. Rain brings us water again and again, but we get rain for only 4 months in a year. If rainwater is not stored, we will not have water for our daily needs after the rains. To meet the whole year's need for water, rainwater must be stopped. When rainwater is stopped, it percolates into the soil as the groundwater storage increases. Trees get water. Wells too get enough water and the land can be cultivated. Several methods are used to make rainwater seep into the soil. Large dams can be built, but that may not be possible in all places. In that event, the government and the people come together to undertake several works such as building smaller reservoirs, counterbanding, stopping the water of the smaller streams by constructing bunds or bandharas. Counterbanding, which involves the placement of lines of stone along the natural rises of landscape. These techniques helps to capture and hold rainfall before it can become runoff. Student, you can see counterbanding in alongside picture. In some places, wells are dug in river beds to allow water to collect in them. Rainwater falling on roofs of houses is drained into large tanks placed beside the building. Using all such methods helps us to store as much water as possible. It is very important to use water carefully, to stop rainwater from flowing away, to make it seep into the ground, or to collect it in the tanks. Water management. Taking steps to ensure that rainwater will be available even in the period after the rainy season is called water management. Water management means stopping or storing water or letting it percolate into the ground to make it available even after the rainy season. See student, while traveling we often buy bottled drinking water. The bottles are available at places like bus stands and railway stations. Read the information about the water given on the bottle and tell others about it too. The date of bottling and the period for which the water can be safely used is printed on the bottle. Once you have opened it, the water should not be kept for very long. The empty bottle must be crushed and thrown into a garbage bin so that it cannot be reused. So children, let's see what we have learnt in this topic. When substances that are harmful for living things get mixed with water, it becomes polluted. Before wastewater is let into water bodies, it is processed in many ways to prevent their pollution. Before the water is supplied to the public, the dissolved and undissolved substances in it are separated at the waterworks, and the germs in it are destroyed. If it does not rain for a long time, it leads to drought and famine. Famine conditions affect humans as well as animals and plants of that region. Water management means stopping or storing water or letting it percolate into the ground to make it available even after the rainy season. Thank you, student.